Socio-technical transitions research acknowledges the importance of organizations in enabling sustainability transitions. Organizations can be firms, universities, NGOs, and the like. Recent research suggests that there are bidirectional interactions between an organization and its environment that contribute to sustainability transitions. But the process inside the organization remains a black box for transitions research. Therefore, it makes sense to look at other disciplines, like organizational change management, that take a look inside the box and provide valuable insights. These insights can help strategic transition initiatives to catalyze organizational change and therefore sustainability transitions. So let's go inside. OCM differentiates change initiation and change execution. Change initiation is the initial start. A problem is identified and a vision articulated. Change execution is the process, where the objectives are matched with actions. Further, OCM sees three pathways: top-down, bottom-up, and integrated. Top-down pathways see change initiation and execution in the hand of the top management, the leadership of an organization. A tool of top-down change initiation is, for example, the scenario technique. Several potential future paths are mapped out so that the organization can find the most suitable way and create a vision. A top-down tool during change execution is, for example, clear and continuous communication. Bottom-up pathways describe change initiation and execution exercised by the middle management or any individual in the organization. It's necessary that there is a process in line that enables and empowers individuals to bring their ideas forward. A useful tool for both bottom-up change initiation and execution is building internal and external networks to exchange knowledge and ideas. The third possibility is the integrated pathway. It includes both top-down and bottom-up facilitators. An exemplary tool are joint projects and products, where, for instance, the change initiation comes from the employees, while the top management provides necessary resources for the execution. To wrap it up, OCM provides a suitable lens to better understand how change processes in organizations work. This knowledge can help strategic transition initiatives to catalyze change in organizations to enable sustainability transitions.